Here are the model solutions for the Foundation Tier November 2010 paper. First question, a book costs £3.55. Work out the cost of 10 of these books. So we are going to do our £3.55 multiplied by 10. So this would give us 35.5. But remember, we're dealing with money, so we need to make sure we pop that 0 so we have our 2 decimal places there. Question 2, parts of a circle now. So drawing the radius. So radius goes from the centre to the circumference. And then part B, write down the mathematical name of this shape. It is a semicircle. Question 3, we've got a list of numbers here. Write down a square number. So a square number is a number that's multiplied by itself. And here I can spot 16, which is 4 squared. A cube number, so that is a number that's multiplied by itself 3 times. And here there's a couple you could choose from. I'm going to pick the number 8 because that is 2 cubed. You could also have 3 cubed, which is 27. So you could have had 8 or you could have had 27 there. Question 4. So we've got a money question here. So Gerald buys 4 medals and 1 trophy and he pays with a £20 note. How much change should he get? So again, we can use our calculator here, but we're doing 4 lots of the £1.29 and we've got 1 trophy as well. So we're doing our 20, subtract that 4 times the £1.29, take away another £3.90 to work out how much change. So I can just type this straight into my calculator and we end up with an answer of £10.94. Okay, question 5. So write down the most sensible imperial unit used to measure the distance from Manchester to London. That would be in miles. Write down the most sensible metric unit used to measure the distance from Calais to Paris. That would be in kilometres. Okay, we're forming expressions now for question 6. So there are 6 eggs in a box. Write down the expression in terms of n for the number of eggs in n boxes. So here it would just be 6n because I'm multiplying them. Then we have Jill has n boxes of eggs. She uses 3 of the eggs. Write down an expression in terms of n for the number of eggs Jill has now. So if she uses 3 of them, we're just going to subtract 3. Question 7, another calculator question. So no working out needed, we can just type it straight into the calculator. So the first button I'm going to press is this fraction button here. I'm going to type in exactly what I see on the numerator and then press the down button in order to get to my denominator. Multiplied by 4.27, which gives us that decimal there. So I've got 3.318397785. I then need to round this to one significant figure. Okay, so one significant figure, my rounding line would go in here. I'm looking at that next number along. Is it 5 or more? No. So my answer would just be 3. Expanding brackets now for question 8. So here I'm looking at x multiplied by x to give me x squared and x multiplied by 2 to give me 2x. Question 9, another straight line graph question. So here they've given you the table, we just need to fill in the missing values. So again I'm going to start with my positive values. So 3 multiplied by 2 to give me 6, plus 3, 9. 3 multiplied by 0 is 0. Add the 3 to give me 3. And we should spot here, if we go down, we're going down by 3's, so I'll have a 0 here. These are now my coordinates. So I'm going to be plotting -2, -3, -1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 6, and 2, 9. So when I plot that, you'll see that we have a nice straight line here. With your pencil and your ruler, you will join those points together, like so. And then question 10, we've got a cuboid here. It's got a width of 4 centimetres. It's got a length of 5. We're told what the volume is. We need to work out what the height is. So the volume is the length times the width times the height. So we've got 60, 4 multiplied by 5. So I'm going to, 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So I'm going to do my 60 divided by 20 to give me the height. So that means the height is 3 centimetres. And then the cuboid is made from copper, and the mass of the cuboid is 534 grams. Work out the density. So we need our mass, density, volume triangle here. So to work out the density, I need to do my mass divided by the volume. So we're doing the mass, which is 534, divided by the volume, which is 60. So I'm going to type that into my calculator. 534 divided by 60 to give me 8.9.